Cursive Writing with Uppercase Alphabets. Welcome everybody! Let's learn how to do cursive writing today. We already seen how to do cursive writing with lowercase alphabets in an earlier video. So, today we look at cursive writing of uppercase alphabets. As I've told you before, it may seem hard to do cursive writing, but it's really fun to practice. And if you practice, you'll get better every day. Okay, it's time to do the writing, starting with A. Let's start with A. You write A like this. Okay, the next character is B. You write B like this. Okay, the next character is C. You write C like this. Okay, the next character is D. You write D like this. Okay, the next character is E. You write E like this. Okay, the next character is F. You write F like this. Okay, the next character is G. You write G like this. Okay, the next character is H. You write H like this. Okay, the next character is I. You write I like this. Okay, the next character is J. You write J like this. Okay, the next character is K. You write K like this. Okay, the next character is L. You write L like this. Okay, the next character is M. You write M like this. Okay, we are halfway there. I hope you're able to follow me. You need to practice a few times every day. Let's move on. The next character is N. You write N like this. Okay, the next character is O. You write O like this. Okay, the next character is P. You write P like this. Okay, the next character is Q. You write Q like this. Okay, the next character is R. You write R like this. We're almost there. We only have a few more to go. Okay, the next character is S. You write S like this. Okay, the next character is T. You write T like this. Okay, the next character is U. You write U like this. Okay, the next character is V. You write V like this. Okay, the next character is W. You write W like this. Okay, the next character is X. You write X like this. Okay, the next character is Y. You write Y like this. And we have come to the last character, which is Z. In many countries, this character is also called Z. You write Z or Z like this. That's all we have on cursive writing of uppercase alphabets. Let me sing the ABC song. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? I hope you all like the singing. That's all we have for now. Please watch it one more time and practice. See you soon.